Hello, I am speaking Dr. Deshbandhu Bajpayee from Kanak Polytherapy Clinic and Research Center 67/70 Bhusatoli Road, Barthan Bazar, Kanpur. In this video, you will find an revolutionary work in the field of Ayurveda which have been never done in before, and that is an Ayurveda pathology by which the blood examination is done for the status quantification of Ayurveda principles Vata Pitta Kapha and its combination and Saptadhatu with the three Mal. So this is a new revolution is done by me and invented by me. I am seeing you here on the screen that I am testing the blood and performing the test before you for your notice. So you will see here that I am performing a blood test of a lady, and the blood is taken as usual is taken in pathological investigation. There is no any restrictions or bar while you take the blood and test it. So now you see that I pick the blood with the pipette and then put it on the platform of the machine. The machine is Ayush use machine and is fabricated by me with the help of IIT Professor Sri Phul Singh Chauhan, in short Dr. P.S. Chauhan, and the engineers of the Sunrise Institute of Science and Technology, Unnao. So altogether they have fabricated the machine, and the machine is being used before 6 years. The chemicals are developed under me with the very long process. Round about 20 years back it is started, and before that the blood test is done or urine test is done with the colorimetric analysis. After that the chemicals have been proven that Vata, Pitta, Kapha chemicals which can match with the Vat, Pitta, Kapha characteristics and its features. So after that, after a long exercise inside the laboratory, we have set up it that such and such chemicals are representing the Vat, Pitta and Kapha, and Ras Rakt Mans Meda Asti Majja Shukra. A research paper has been published about this technology in International Research Journal of Engineering and Technology in 2024. So anybody can go to the issues of the magazine and can see there. Here at last in the video you will find the research paper copy of has been given here. So first of all we keep the blood on the platform and mix with the chemical. Then after a few seconds the reading comes in the screen of machine and then noted in a proforma which is designed for the report purposes. So the result of the test is very unique in nature and is give a hemoglobin percentages of the patient and how much hemoglobin level is patient have, and the oxygenated blood gives a very best impression that how much his vital force is strong. The nitrite test reveals that if there any kind of infection or some foreign particles are seen which are damaging the health condition, so nitrite level if goes to down or going to up, it have a inflammatory condition or the depressive health state, such as in the case of any type of infection like HIV or typhoid or cancer or other disease conditions. So the diagnosis is very fine after this examination of blood and selection and treatment and management and diagnosis of the disease condition becomes very clear for the benefit of the test. Patient takes a targeted treatment which is perfect in nature and without any deviation. So this test is a very beneficial test for all the patient which gives a particular type of coverage of his health, and in this test the main target, the main concept is that basic chemical components at the time of birth are in the body, which are the basic components of basic chemicals which survive our body, and after connecting or reacting each other, which new formation of chemical is formed inside the body, that we like to check it with this test, and overall we see the connecting Vata Pitta Kapha and adjoining all the chemical which we get in report, and their characteristics are matched with the Vata Pitta and Kapha and the Sapta Dhatu. After that we take the integrated approach for the patient along with the treatment strategies which we will narrate in other videos in future.